on getting fuel in her. Took me 3 tries. And got the auto booster hooked up to the switch on the same channel with my governor. Forgot to run my auto booster and governor. I'll need an 8-channel S plus receiver. I'm such an idiot. I forgot that in the last video I did. Hopefully I've spilled all of my fuel here. We'll put most of her in here because we're going to get 1 flight out of this baby. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to just fill it up. So I'm going to start it up tomorrow, and then maybe I'll go to the parking lot tomorrow afternoon and give it a hover in the parking lot over there. Yeah, I really like this mechanical pump. The electric pumps always fail on me, man. Right when you need it most, you go pick that sucker up and it's not working. Don't you just love the smell of fresh nitro fuel, man? Nothing like that good old alcohol. Alright guys, so stay tuned till I fire this baby up tomorrow. Figure out how to mount my mechanical pump to my bottle here. Ooh. Suck it in. Suck it in, man. I guess I got a little hole here. I'll put a keychain or something through there. So it can hang off the bottle. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Finally got this bird hopefully set up properly. Initially I'm just going to get her running tomorrow and tune it a little bit, and then go over to my little parking lot and get a test of her. But I have to call my buddy, one of my buddies about to come by so they can use the head tack. So they can tack the head speed so I can get a consistent head speed of 1700 RPM in normal mode. And I'm looking about 2200 and idle up me. So, stay tuned. And thanks for watching.